Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful ways to transform your life, Stoic philosophy. If you're someone who feels overwhelmed, stressed, or uncertain at times, then Stoicism might just be the tool you need to take back control. Why Stoicism is worth exploring. You see, Stoicism isn't just an ancient philosophy. It's a guide for living a meaningful and peaceful life. And the best part? These practices are super simple to apply and can change the way you approach every aspect of life. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 Stoic practices that can truly transform your life, starting today. Tease the practices. We'll cover practices that help you stay calm under stress, make better decisions, and embrace life's challenges with a positive attitude. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have practical tips to make your life better, starting right now. 1. Control what you can. The first practice is one of the most important. Control what you can and let go of what you can't. The Stoics taught us to focus our energy only on things that are within our control. This includes our actions, reactions, and mindset. Everything else, like other people's opinions or the weather, is beyond our control. Imagine you're stuck in traffic, feeling frustrated. You can't change the traffic, but you can control your reaction. Instead of getting upset, you could choose to remain calm, use the time to listen to an audiobook, or simply practice patience. Think about a time when something happened that stressed you out, perhaps an argument or a mistake at work. How did you react? Did you focus on what you could control, or did you let the situation take over your emotions? Actionable tip. The next time you find yourself in a stressful situation, ask yourself, what's in my control here? Focus on your response and let go of the things you can't change. 2. Negative visualization. Introduce the concept. Now, this one might sound a little strange, but hear me out. It's called negative visualization, and it's a powerful Stoic practice. Negative visualization involves imagining worst-case scenarios, not to make you anxious, but to prepare you mentally and help you appreciate what you already have. For example, imagine losing your job tomorrow. You might feel a wave of fear, but if you think about how you would deal with it, you'll realize that you're stronger and more prepared than you thought. You'll appreciate your current job and resources more. It sounds counterintuitive, right? But by visualizing the worst, you're training yourself to handle challenges and become grateful for what you already have. Actionable tip. Try this out. Take a few minutes today to think about a worst-case scenario. Maybe it's a fear you have. Visualize it happening and think about how you would deal with it. You'll likely find that you're much more capable of handling challenges than you thought. 3. Daily reflection. Introduce the concept. Next up, we have daily reflection. The Stoics believed in reflecting on your day every evening, assessing your actions, thoughts, and decisions. It's all about looking at what went well and where you could improve. A great way to do this is by asking yourself a few key questions before bed. What did I do today that I'm proud of? What could I have done better? Did I act with virtue, courage, wisdom, justice, and temperance? This simple practice can be done in just 5 minutes before you go to sleep. It allows you to learn from your day and continuously improve, which is a powerful way to grow. Actionable tip. Tonight, take 5 minutes to reflect on your day. Jot down your thoughts in a journal or simply think about your actions. This reflection helps you align more closely with your values and leads to constant improvement. For embrace discomfort, introduce the concept. The 4th practice is all about embracing discomfort. The Stoics believe that true growth comes from challenging yourself and stepping outside your comfort zone. Whether it's taking a cold shower, fasting, or tackling a difficult task you've been avoiding, embracing discomfort builds mental resilience. Let's say you've been avoiding a tough conversation with someone because you're afraid of how it will go. Embracing discomfort means you face that fear head-on, and the result is often better than you expect. I know it's not easy, but every time you push through discomfort, you become a stronger person. It's about building endurance for life's challenges. Actionable tip. Start small, maybe with a 5-minute cold shower or a tough conversation you've been avoiding. Once you start embracing discomfort, you'll build a foundation of resilience that will serve you in all areas of life. 5. Amor Fati, love of fate. Introduce the concept. Finally, we have Amor Fati, which means love of fate. This Stoic practice involves accepting everything that happens to you, good or bad, as part of your journey. Instead of resisting life's challenges, you embrace them as opportunities to grow. Imagine you face a setback, like a failed project or a personal disappointment. Instead of viewing it as a failure, Amor Fati teaches you to love the experience and see it as something that shapes you into a better person. It's not about ignoring pain or challenges. It's about accepting them as necessary parts of life's grand plan. The Stoics believe that everything, even hardship, can lead to greater wisdom. Actionable tip: next time something doesn't go as planned, instead of getting upset, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Embrace the situation and see how it contributes to your growth. Wrap up. So, those are the top 5 Stoic practices you can start using today to transform your life. To recap: control what you can, practice negative visualization, reflect daily, embrace discomfort, and love your fate. Call to action: which Stoic practice do you think will be most helpful for you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more life-changing Stoic insights.